Arrive in style with this 2012 Honda Civic LX. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include 1.8 LSO HCMP FI 16-valve IVTEC i4 engine, aluminum alloy engine block, drive-by-wire throttle, eco-assist system, front-wheel drive, McPherson strut front suspension, multi-link rear suspension, front and rear stabilizer bars, motion-adaptive electric PWR rack and pinion steering and body-colored rear deck-lid spoiler. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.